Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Coming to map interface. So this is the final interface where we will discuss in this collection topic. This is very important. So people, very less people I see use the this kind of interface. Okay, maybe I didn't see in my maximum code. I saw in only 10 to 20% in trial. So who are using map? Like though if we give, I don't know why they are not using. This will be very helpful to group your data, especially to group based on a key. It will be very helpful. So now map, what is map? So still now we were seeing only an object. So now we will see a key value pair. When you want to have a key value pair data, then in that case, map is very useful. Map is very useful. Here, a key, only keys are unique, values can be duplicate. Keys will be only unique, values can be duplicate. Values can be duplicate. So there are, what do you say, we have many classes inside the map. So that is hash map, linked hash map, and tree map. Same as a set, like hash set, linked hash set, and tree set. Like in the same way, we have hash map, linked hash map, and tree map. So what they were saying. So a hash set internally uses hash map. Tree set, hash set internally using hash map. And even tree set internally uses the hash map. So that we need to understand. So now if you see here, map, it implements the sorted map, and tree map only implements the sorted map here, not other hash map or linked hash map. Even this is a case for set also. And so we can replace map with a set. So set, sorted set, and tree set, rather than other thing is hash set and linked hash set. Okay, right. So now if you observe, app doesn't allow duplicate keys, but you can have a duplicate values. So hash map and linked hash map allow null keys and values. So these hash map and linked hash map class allows null keys as same as hash set and linked hash set. But tree map and tree set doesn't allow null values, any null values. Okay. Now here you want to iterate through a map is also very different. So we will see a small example we will do. So before going to that, we will see. Basically, we will read out what is hash map. Hash map is an implementation of map, but again, it doesn't maintain. It doesn't guarantee any order. Whereas linked hash map will maintain an order. In tree map, again, you want to give an ascending order. So same thing. Same thing. What we learned in set, it is there. But here, the values are key value pairs. Here, the values are key value pairs. So what are the and there are many methods apart from the collections methods. It has its own methods in map, not like set. So now if you understand this important these methods, like we can go with map very easily. Like get key, get value. Okay, so I want to get all the keys in the map. I want to get all the values in the map. So I can get the value based on the key. I can get the values in the map. So such things and all we will see. Okay, coming back to our practical part. Okay. Yeah. So we have already done some small example. So let us consider we have a key value pair. So key value pair means ID and name. ID and name. A sample JSON I want to give. Okay, a sample JSON I want to give. Rather than what do you say, defining a helper class and putting into a list, you can give it in a hash map and give to the front end. So this is also possible. So what simple ID and graph calculations and all, we'll put in again a helper class, we'll wrap it and we'll give it to them. Other than that, we can do this also. So it's up to your use case. The people are not using that, they headache. Okay. So now we will see a sample example also, a map example. Okay. So I will comment it. So I'll show you what is the purpose of that also. So now I have a key value pair. I have a key value pair like this. I want to enter the data. So now I with using a put method. So rather than add, now you need to have a put method here. So we will not use add anymore here. Okay, we will use put method to add the data into the map. To add the data into the map. So now I want to iterate a map. How I will iterate a map is a question. So normally what we were doing we are using for loop. Yes, we can use for loop here also. But here using map dot entry. So entry you need to mention teacher and string of a map. Oh no, it is an entry, right? Teacher of string. No, we have a map. We have a set added here already. Take from here. So now you have a map entry here. Entry set take. So this entry set will give. If you see here, the entry set will give you the set of data what we have in a map. So through entry set, we will. So the iteration of a map is bit different from a list and set. So the iteration of a map is bit different from a list and a set. Okay, we were trying to do entry, but we need to take a map dot entry set. So from an entry set, we will get the key value pairs. So if you see here, yeah. So here it is. After invoking a put method, like we have invoked a put method, and we are iterating the data. We are iterating the data. So the iteration of a map is bit different from a list and set. So we need to get an entry set, then from there we'll get it. So as per the data, map will allow you one null. So can key be null? We'll see. So can key be null? Yes, it can be one null. So can it be multiple nulls? No, it can't be a multiple null because it is replacing with a null key. Whatever the key is there, it is replacing with the existing key. So your keys also should be. So it is not allowing you multiple nulls because already null is there. So that the new value is overriding with the old value. So you can't allow. So now in this case, can I have a multiple keys, same key, same multiple keys? No, again, because as the definition we have the map definition, we have only. Okay, we didn't replace. It's a new value. Yeah. So you will have only a unique keys. You will not have duplicate keys here. So if you replace with a new value, it will replace with a new. If you put a new value, it will replace with a new value. The old value will be overlapped with the new value. So now this is about a hash map. So this is about a hash map. So now what we have, whatever we saw here, we can get an entry set. We can go through the iterator also. I kept one example here and we tried another example with the practical. So we have and map set, the same example I have kept here also. So this is the Java 8 method way of doing it here. So you can get a from a stream, we can get a sorted map, and we can get comparing the keys, we can get a sorted map also. So this is something new in Java 8 they have. You can go and try on your own.